Box. Box. Meaning: a container made of cardboard, metal, or plastic, usually for storage or transportation. I need to tick off all the boxes on my to-do list. Can you please hand me the cardboard box? Related words: crate, carton, chest, trunk, package. Containerize. Containerize. Meaning: to place in a container. The team had to logically containerize the code to improve its readability. We need to efficiently containerize the supplies to save space during the move. Related words: pack, enclose, constrain, store, package. Encase. Encase. Meaning: to enclose or cover. The delicate artwork was encased in glass to preserve it. The new phone was encased in plastic to protect it during shipping. Related words: conceal, package, protect, envelop, contain, fill. Fill. Meaning: make full or occupy space. He used putty to fill the gap in the window frame. She was hired to fill the role of the company's marketing manager. Related words: cram, load, occupy, stuff, pack. Insert. Insert. Meaning: to put or place inside something. Please insert a coin into the vending machine. He slowly inserted the key into the door and turned it. Related words: embed, attach, inject, input, plant. Load. Load. Meaning: to put a burden on or into. The truck was struggling to carry the heavy load. The backpack felt light with the small load of books. Related words: cargo, burden, shipment, payload, pack. Pack. Meaning: a group of items wrapped or tied together for carrying or storage. I need to pack a bag for our vacation. I always pack a lunch for work to save money. Related words: kit, assemble, load, store, bundle. Stock. Stock. Meaning: goods for sale or use. The stock market crashed in 2008. The stock price of Apple has been steadily increasing over the past year. Related words: shares, dividend, market, portfolio, bond. Store. Store. Meaning: place where goods are sold. I stopped by the convenience store to pick up some snacks. Let's go to the department store to buy new clothes. Let's go to the department store to buy new clothes. Related words: boutique, market, retail, warehouse, shop. Stuff. Stuff. Meaning: Material objects. I gave my little sister a stuffed animal for her birthday. Let's order a pizza with stuffed crust tonight. Related words. Materials. Things. Belongings. Items. Goods. What is the meaning of the word? Containerize. The answer is A. To place in a container. Which of the following word means to put a burden on or into? The answer is B. Load. What is the meaning of the word store? The answer is A. Place where goods are sold. Which of the following word means material objects? The answer is C. Stuff. Which of the following word means to enclose or cover? The answer is C. Encase. Which of the following word means place where goods are sold? The answer is A. Store. Which of the following word means to place in a container? The answer is D. Containerize. Which of the following word means a container made of cardboard, metal, or plastic, usually for storage or transportation? The answer is C. Box. What is the meaning of the word load? The answer is A. To put a burden on or into. Which of the following word means goods for sale or use? The answer is B. Stock. What is the meaning of the word encase? The answer is A. To enclose or cover. What is the meaning of the word fill? The answer is A. Make full or occupy space. What is the meaning of the word stock? The answer is B. Goods for sale or use. Which of the following word means to put or place inside something? The answer is A. Insert. What is the meaning of the word insert? The answer is B. To put or place inside something. What is the meaning of the word box? The answer is B. A container made of cardboard, metal, or plastic, usually for storage or transportation. What is the meaning of the word pack? The answer is D. A group of items wrapped or tied together for carrying or storage. Which of the following word means make full or occupy space? The answer is C. Fill. What is the meaning of the word stuff? The answer is C. Material objects. Which of the following word means a group of items wrapped or tied together for carrying or storage? The answer is C. Pack.